You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce this French name. Yes, it's quite common in France, and many historical figures of French history have it. So, French pronunciation, the way we say it in France, is as Antoine. An is a very kind of French sounding, quite nasal. Antoine, Antoine. Now, if you cannot pronounce this French pronunciation, say the English pronunciation, Antoine. So you're going to make it sound a bit more like an on sound, I guess, or on sound. Antoine. Antoine is how you're probably going to end up saying it. How do you say it? Antoine. Let's hear the French pronunciation one last time. Antoine. Antoine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.